This is the SuperMocio 3 Action Mop. Now I love this, I think it's really cleverly designed.
The bucket holds 10 litres of water, and the bucket itself is actually really quite a nice size. It's not too bulky, great for storing.
The bucket is super light still, so it makes it taking it from room to room really easy. And it's got the pouring lip on the top there, so I'm not splashing water everywhere.
The fact that it's a really huge mop just saves me time. The lemon-shaped head is perfect for getting into those corners. I really found it helped, especially getting through the bathroom. We have quite a small bathroom.
It seems to get into all the nooks and crannies, and I think that's this extra material going on and these extra red parts here. So there's a red kind of rough scourer, which is for the more stubborn kind of bits on the floor. Then you've got sort of a blue, a different kind of material here, which is for the grease and that sort of thing. And then you've got these, hope you can see, really bristly kind of red pads, which is for the extra kind of dirt and the smaller like hair and things like that.
One of the best parts for me is that the bucket, when you lean down on it, the little parts inside twist round to squeeze the mop. The last thing that I want is to have a really wet mop that's not only going to warp the floors, but that's also going to make them really wet so the kids come in and straight out the rain.
Yeah, it just makes life so much quicker and easier. It doesn't feel like a chore. It doesn't feel like you're having an arm workout with your mop. I love the fact that I can whip off the mop heads and stick them in the wash, and it's definitely important to me knowing that I'm reusing and, you know, not having to constantly go out and replace the mop heads.
Yeah, I really liked using that. It was really easy, and I think it's done a good job in like less than 5 minutes, so.
I'm so happy with the quality, the durability. The family seems to be happy to use it as well, which is always a bonus because obviously I tend to do most of the cleaning, but it's good that everyone can get involved.
Now I love this, I think it's really cleverly designed.